The talk on the street, bears seen taking a pause after Nifty's brutal sell-off in yesterday's trade. Our call of the day, Nifty may enjoy some respite on backdrop of improving leads from Wall Street, but that said, the overall sentiment remains fragile amidst lingering global uncertainties. Blame it on AI-related worries, which is unlikely to go away soon. Please note, IT stocks have plunged for 5 straight days, and most importantly, Nifty IT index is down whopping 21% this February month. Adding to the unease, President Donald Trump's fresh 15% global tariff move has muddied the near-term economic outlook, creating confusion across markets and among global policymakers. Long story short, expect volatility to remain the defining feature of the day, but aggressive traders CA look to buy on dips as Nifty is holding above its 200 DMA at 25339. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 103 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3161 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation zone. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 14.17 levels. At last check, USD INR, February, was hovering near the 90.92 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th March, is at 1.31 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th February, is at 1.19. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation is likely to be the preferred theme for the day. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5425. Biggest support for Nifty is now placed at 25,329 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,753 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25350 and 25650. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 8226. Biggest support for Sensex is now placed only at 81,900 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 82,000 to 83,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 61047. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 60,562 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 61,765 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 60,700 and 61700. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. The good news is that in overnight trade, Wall Street swung higher as markets reassessed the risk of disruption from AI advances in software development and automation. Meanwhile, WTI crude oil futures are hovering around $66.30 per barrel, close to a 6-month high, as investors closely monitor a new round of talks between the US and Iran. President Trump has said that he would prefer reaching an agreement with Iran, with talks set to resume on Thursday, but warned of a very bad day for Tehran if a nuclear deal fails to materialize. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Lupin, plus 0.47%, 2,252 rupees. Lupin shares in focus on receiving European Commission approval for biosimilar Ranibizumab. 2. Bharti Airtel, minus 2.67%, 1,944 rupees. Bharti Airtel has announced major plans for its non-banking financial company, NBFC, Airtel Money Limited, underscoring its commitment to narrow the credit gap in India. The NBFC subsidiary will be capitalized with 20,000 crore rupees to be injected over the next few years. Airtel will contribute 70% with the promoter group via Bharti Enterprises Limited, bringing in the balance of 30%. 3. BPCL, plus 0.75%, 375 rupees. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, BPCL, has received an order from the Commissioner of Central Tax and Central Excise, Kochi, raising an excise duty demand of 1,816.65 crore rupees, including interest, related to valuation disputes at its Kochi refinery. The order, dated 21 February 2026, covers transactions from September 2004 to May 2010. 4. KEC International, plus 1.6%, 592 rupees. KEC International has secured new orders worth 1,002 crore rupees across its transmission and distribution, T&D, and cables and conductors segments, further strengthening its order book and execution pipeline.